Finally, I'm able to run the
講廣東話啦。
app on Windows 11.
講廣東話啦。
Assume that you've installed UV like I did in last video. Here in my local D drive, UV init a new project. Then in that Windows project folder, open the Mac generated file, see if it works. Now open PowerShell. UV is already installed, so UV init. I wanna put it in D drive and name it test Marimo. In between, let me show you my D drive. Press enter. Here you see test Marimo is already there. Click it and open the project file. Right click. Let me show you on Notepad. You can see that it's Python 3.13 because up to this moment, Python 3.13 is the latest version. Dependencies are empty, alright. Now let's go to the download folder. For this, pytext3 example.py, copy it to this folder, test Marimo. This folder we just create. Copy and then fill in the path here. It can be typed or simply drag it here. Then copy to folder D drive test Marimo. It's now copied here. That's the Mac generated file. Right click, open with Notepad. You see that on my Mac, I installed these packages, pandas and 2GP, the Cantonese one. Here I'm gonna take them out. Now I'm in Windows project, pytext3 example.py. Don't need these, delete them. Gone. I didn't use the latest version when this was generated on Mac. I'll just leave it there. That was still an old Marimo version. See if it works. But for the case of PyText, you must go to initialize, specify the driver, SAPI5, Ctrl S, save it. Now I'm in my root directory. Let's say you clear it. We are in root directory. Start over again, change directory to test Marimo, which is this folder, my project folder. Press enter. Then let's try UV run with Marimo. Marimo shouldn't be there. With Marimo, see if UVX works. Then with pytext3, since we are on Windows, we also need pywin32. Then run as a script and pytext3 underscore example.py, which is the Mac generated file. Okay, enter, doesn't work. Let's try UV run with Marimo, with pytext3, with pywin32 script, pytext3 underscore example.py. Yep, it should be running. Now it's installing packages. It may not run. Try that before. Oops, doesn't work. Doesn't matter. Let me check the project file here. See if it installed. Marimo. Nope, doesn't matter. Make sure you're in your project folder. Then UV add Marimo. Hold on. I need Marimo to get in. Anyway, enter. No error. Good. And it's now installing. Okay. Go back to the project file, right click, open with. You see that Marimo's there. Try again and see if it works. pwd, we are now in the project folder. Clear everything. We've got Marimo already, so Marimo edit. Let's try pytext3 example.py, see if it works. Not sure if it works. In sandbox mode, yes. I don't think it works. Try that before, it doesn't seem working. Just try. Oops, it works. No error message, right. Control full stop, this is my app. This is the Cantonese phrase. Select your voice. Take a look at the selection. Choices on Windows are different from those on Mac. It's a big chunk available on Mac, but on Windows, only a few. Let's say this one, Tracy, Cantonese. Then press speak.
講廣東話啦。講廣東話啦。
Okay, let's say type some English and listen to the Cantonese voice. Do it again.
Whatever.
Let's try Japanese voice and see if it works.
Whatever. Whatever.
Try another Cantonese.
你邊位？你邊位？
Done. It worked. You can see that I couldn't get in, but this time simply UV run Marimo edit PyText tree sandbox. It works. That's how I get Mac app worked on Windows. If you're using Windows and you want to run Mac generated web app, you can try this approach. That's everything I tried. Okay, that's pretty much it.